Hi everyone, it's Janis here, and in this video we will explore what is snippets of time. To stay productive in this fast-paced world, it is important that we adopt the latest strategies and we use all the time that is available for us. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. A snippet of time is a principle used in time management to effectively use all time that is available to people. This strategy is used by Bill Gates, who always keeps a book handy, and every time he has a few minutes available, he can read few pages. Many people often wait for the long stretches of time available before they consider to take action and work on something. But this approach is wasting all the little opportunities that we can use to get things done and move closer to our goals. If you think about it on everyday basis, how often you have 1 hour time slots available compared to the 5 to 10 minute intervals. It is likely that little snippets of time greatly outnumber a big stretches of time, and these little snippets are quickly adding up if we use them. If you have 6 times 10-minute intervals available, then that is a whole hour right there. So instead of jumping on your phone, you can knock out some of your tasks. This is where we can add the concept of micro-productivity to make it work even better. Micro-productivity means creating a little tasks that can be done in 5 to 10 minutes. Then, every time you have 5 to 10 minutes available, you can quickly do some of the micro-tasks that you have already prepared. Our lives have become more fragmented as we do more and more things, so it is important to adapt our strategy so that we can stay productive and get things done. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick summary of what snippets of time are and how to use them to your advantage. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.